for the first time ever at No Mercy.
Ever since Roman Reigns has stepped foot in a ring against anyone and everyone that steps in his path, Roman Reigns, because I know that Roman Reigns...
Probably no one's ever told you this before, John, but you're not...
Roman Reigns. I don't know if anyone's ever told you this. He ain't the guy. Dude, you're just a guy.
He did it again. You're gonna jump off that bus with that big ass shovel. That's what you're gonna do, and you're gonna bury. I'm the one guy in the WWE that John Cena can't see.
Shamed I'm a part-timer, because I can do this part-time, because you can't do your job.
This matchup has become extremely personal. On pay-per-view on the WWE Network.
Rematch that will have long-term implications that could shake WWE to its fair.
Jason Jordan.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a... I'll show you what happened 15 years ago on SmackDown. It was July of...
That you can walk out here and come into the ring and face the very best in the business.
And indeed, John Cena had gold medalist to the limit.
This was a career-defining night for John Cena. Actually turned into the tidal wave that has become John Cena.
Kurt Angle is in those same shoes that John Cena filled 15 that level yet. Will he be able to compete, Corey? Quickly tries to go for the win. Jordan right off the bat going to his amateur expertise. Jordan was ranked in the top 15 in the country for 3 straight years. Oh, in his senior year.
You know, Conor McGregor looked comfortable.
Again, Jason Jordan with an L.
Got to be a kudos to John Cena for giving the opportunity for this match to
15 years ago. And there's a hip toss from Cena. Cena trying to use his power to break away to the jaw. And now a right hand, and now John Cena. Ground and pound attack. Made a career out of it.
Cena's never...
Right there, John Cena.
And another right.
He knows about the shit.
Often John Cena learning.
Oh! Suplex of his own from Cena. Oh! Another straight right from John Cena. The way he likes to operate in the ring is an Irish whip to Jordan. And there's a belly-to-belly from Jake. Steps out of the way, and now shoulder tackle by Cena. And another one. Jordan, however, with a drop kick, just going to stay in and exchanging blows with John in the middle of the ring.
It's a veteran move. Almost pulled it off, too.
And now Cena's got
that nervous energy. Kids been thinking about this.
Does. Is Jordan going to tap?
That move would have worked with anybody. He's still chasing history.
Yeah, but Jordan able to pick it and now turn into one of his...
Out of youth as well.
Cena, though, power is at his feet, and now his own power. Northern rolls through, and again, another one. Fans love it. Oh, Jordan this time buries the shoulder. Oh, Cena able to turn things around, and just like that, the attitude adjustment, and Big Match John does it again.
And dream about standing across the ring from John Cena.
Time in John Cena. Nice show of respect. But Jason Jordan can hold his head. Things are...
I got one question for you, John. Why does it take a 16-time champ? If you're as good as you say you are, let him believe in himself, let them get into it, and then you crush them. Strong, you're not as fast, you're not as good as you say or think you are. Fake-ass little bitch.
Gentlemen, welcome Debbie Downer to Monday Night Raw. Happy to see you, but I'm disgusted by your whole face. Roman, don't burn your brain cells. For gosh sake, you come out here with your zipper open. You're gonna get the answers to these questions at No Mercy. Here, mistake after mistake after mistake. You want to talk about questions? Know-it-all golden boy who needs to be taught a lesson in respect. Every single inch, week by week. Damn, I respect that. I don't respect you. Come out here and say you're the guy. They don't agree so much to actually see what the hell is going on here.
Now we're talking, John. Come on. Do it. Do it right here, right now. This is your moment. This is your moment. I don't respect you.
John Cena, Roman Reigns. But later on tonight, and the big show met, the first time ever, the monster among men, Braun Strowman, largest athlete, show Strowman, locked in. The tag team champions who will defend their titles.
There you go.
He can take in this matchup in the ring already. Rhino and Heath. Former Raw Tag Team Champions.
The team of Sheamus and Cesaro.
It's coming, so they probably think they're gonna, stalk us and hunt us by the Velociraptor, because from the side, you know what I mean? We hunt like Velociraptor.
No mercy on the WWE Network, and from behind, whoa.
17, I gotta apologize for asking the obvious, but
we decided to team up, and we signed on the dotted line.
Very forgiving person, but no, look, we've gone to war over the years, been in the ring against each other.
This to work all the way up the rankings to become like the second or third championships in a world where
and we know what they're capable of. The bottom line is they're going to bring it from start to finish. Anything like that, it's just us versus them, 2-on-2, and when it's light,
Rhino go. Oh, and Sheamus.
Come on, I mean, talk about form right there.
Here's the cover on Rhino, and Sheamus and Cesaro pick up the victory. With your tag team titles on the line, and there's no doubt they're hungry. They're coming out.
Rhino would force the reunion, but boom!
come and get it, boys.
Please welcome on the Hardy Boys.
What a wonderful evening for a new 25 years. It's very simple. We wrestle each match. It's our way of life. That's what I teach my daughter, and the fact that my daughter. So with that said, tonight's not about age. Vitality that shines bright within my spirit. Yes. Where I'm leaving here the new Intercontinental Champion. Down to a beautiful twist of fate.
It's Team Extreme with an opportunity at the Intercontinental title. Jeff Hardy tonight. Matt will be at ringside to see if his brother Jeff can capture. I want to take you back to Monday Night Raw last week and show you the 15-man over the top rope.
According to social media, his fellow superstars were paying tribute to him.
A rampage.
Very impressive run for Jordan, just when it looked like Jay's the plan, but it would be Jeff Hardy with the final elimination to earn the opportunity to return to WWE when they were current tag team champions. And they both...
Jeff Hardy! The Miz!
And this is about yesterday that Jeff Hardy won his
renaissance, especially since arriving here on Monday Night Raw.
Great job.
and Jeff Hardy looking to win the matchup early in the title and a kick out.
One of the champions. He's been 10-time tag team champion.
That O'Connor rolled and ducks underneath, and Miz now backing up toward the rope. Jeff Hardy sends Miz up over the top rope.
That didn't miss.
Miz defending the Intercontinental Championship against Jeff Hardy, who won a 50-plus days. And Jeff Hardy knocking Miz down. Morales, Don Baracco, and the Honky Tonk Man. And worked hard to earn his opportunity. For the win by Jeff Hardy, and down Dallas up on the apron, and Curtis Axel taking advantage.
And even the score for his brother.
In the match. But nonetheless, we're now back to an even playing field. Miz.
Interesting, guys. One-on-one competition. No outside.
And that right there is vintage. Jeff Hardy, but blocked by the man. Counter by Miz. DDT to fall for the challenger. Nobody home. Miz in trouble.
Running knees. And these right here are the it kicks made famous by the A-lister himself.
Wildly, Jeff Hardy. Miz, into the corner.
About Jeff Hardy, championship action. Good Lord. Take a look at this. Oh my goodness.
Jeff.
This figure four for a couple of reasons, so he's trying to slow the action down as well as put up.
The hottest action in the world's on Monday Night Raw. Let's look at this again.
Both guys' cardio is.
And Jeff Hardy sending Miz into the barracks.
Feet right now, watching to see what's gonna happen.
Oh, Swanton! Maurice!
Hurt man, he's very dangerous.
Looking for a twist of fate. Miz, though. Boom! Skull for the Miz. Here's the cover. Miz retains the
Intercontinental Champion.
In 9 days, Miz will pass Hawk.
To capitalize, Jeff would attempt to twist of fate. Boom! Skull.
Fights with his wife, Maurice. In Los Angeles on the WWE Network, Alexa Bliss will defend her title.
Explain to me how Sasha gets a title opportunity at No Mercy before I do. You know better than anybody that you have to create your own opportunity around here.
Right.
Feel the women's division trembling at the thought of me becoming champ.
It was buzzing, but it was over the woman who single-handedly started the women's revolution. Give Emma a chance at the women's title.
Put Emma in the hospital.
Okay, hold on. Hold on a second. That's not how we do things around. The two of you are going to team up together tonight to take on Sasha Banks and Alexa Bliss. I will add you to the match and make it a fatal four-way. How does that sound?
4,000-pound ring that had to be reinforced earlier today.
The world's largest athlete, Braun Strowman. The last time they collided, the ring literally crashed tonight.
And Braun Strowman set for a collision with the world's largest athlete. Braun Strowman. Oh, knockout punch! Knockout punch! What on earth? Beans will be locked inside a steel cage.
This segment of Raw is brought to you by Ringling Brothers Circus. Look at these three. It's ridiculous.
Bada boom, realest guy in the room. How you doing? Hey, listen. Everybody knows. I mean, I don't know who they were, but they were onto something because I'm trying. And a walking, talking check, and we are on the come up. Just became one of the realest hours on television. How you doing? We got Cedric the Entertainer, Alexander the Great. Guy's got a little spice, a little kick to him. I like to call him Pepper Jack. Gnome, I'm gonna split your dome door. He's got Captain Underpants. Us three are gonna chew you up like some Omaha steaks.
Six-man cruiserweight actions live next. 205 Live every Tuesday night on the WWE Network.
Fantastic.
Sander, down goes Nice.
Got it,
Drop kick.
Got it, I think just waiting on this moment right.
I mean, I don't know how anyone in the world wants to be partners with Enzo.
You know what? Say what you.
Well, Enzo's understandably experiencing a bit of an adjustment period. The style.
Now Tony Nese.
Oh my God!
Dropping Enzo on the back of his.
Take a look at the power of Tony Nese.
Boom!
Dropping Enzo neck first.
You know what it's going to be like in the cruiserweight division. It's not going to be so easy.
Listen, I know a lot of the.
Neville, who has not been impressed thus far with Enzo Amore.
Oh,
remember. And what a shot by Gulak.
It's all about creates news. We know that.
No doubt about that. And as you can see here,
Enzo preventing.
Oh! Enzo trying to. And here's Cedric Alexander. To the draw of Gulak. And there's the kick to the side of the face. And Quinn Metalik gonna flop.
Look at Enzo again. Tag it. Wow!
Alexander and Metalik was busy with Cedric Alexander.
Jordan.
And Enzo again picks up the win.
I'm a little bit surprised anytime Enzo succeeds at anything in life.
Allowed Enzo to pick up the win.
To be perfectly honest, I think it was an index finger and a middle finger. I think it was
Stick their nose into our spotlight, into our match at No Mercy.
Because if your former best friend Nia and Emma beat you, because if it's just me and you in that ring, I will beat you again. Not you. Boo-hoo. Get over it. Get over it! And come No Mercy, I will make you scream when I make you tap out.
WWE Universal Champion.
a very unique ability that Finn Balor possesses.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Finn Balor.
Hey, this last week I was talking to the Jackal Call. You gotta love it. Young man living his dream.
Omaha, Nebraska, this is Balor Club. And the Universal Championship used to look real good around this waist. He cost me my opportunity to challenge The Miz. The next time you appear, I will be ready. I don't run from my demons. Week after week, let's play!
And I'll never forget the first time I flicked. So I decided I wanted to shake things up a little bit. My bare hands judged them all. And that choice defined me. The demon is your bow and arrow, Finn Balor. Face me man to man and show me no mercy. Make a choice, Finn Balor.
I've already made my choice, Bray. I am Finn Balor.
The confident hero they all dream of becoming. Running around like a scared little rabbit. Run, little rabbit. Run.
This young lady.
Alexa Bliss.
Oh, Cole, I hate to be the one to correct.
Collection on WWEshop.com, including an exclusive line of shirts and sweatshirts.
From Boston, Massachusetts, Sasha Banks. 270 pounds, Nia Jax.
Entire WWE Universe, most importantly, the goddess, Alexa Bliss.
Her tag team partner, from Melbourne, Australia, Emma.
Can Emma and Nia win to get a championship opportunity? Find out next. On Monday Night Raw, this is Sasha Banks in the ring against Nia Jax. Sasha's teaming
Match at No Mercy in a fatal four-way.
I wouldn't say by some chance, Corey, because I don't think Sasha and Alexa can get along. Plain and simple. Here's Emma right into the face of the boss. Emma again. She has got nowhere near her corner, and Alexa Bliss.
The thing is, Cole, you don't never want to lose the championship that way.
Oh, in this case.
Sasha, nice suplex to Emma. Feet of Fury. Emma.
Big boot right to the jaw.
Their takedown. Here's the boss. Double knees. Down goes Emma. Here's the cover.
Series of forearms from the boss, and Emma answers with a big one herself.
And here we go. Double team by Sasha and Alexa. To the midsection again, doing a great job isolating Emma from her corner. Hey. Oh, and Alexa slamming Emma. Alexa, though, comes down off the rope, right back on the attack of Emma. And Emma creating some separation. Former friends, well, at least in Alexa's mind, I believe. Slap to Nia Jax. Oh, man, and Nia, clothesline.
Fortunately for Alexa, that may be the case. Look at the power
Nia can do under those rules.
Man, I don't know where that came from. About the DDT, but
the power of Nia. Samoa drop. Fighting back. There's the quickness of the champion. Take advantage. Building momentum, the Shining Wizard. Nia down.
Oh, she'd like to.
Allowed Nia to get out of it. Made by Emma. Ought to steal the glory. And she does. And Nia and Emma.
Nia Jax.
A fatal four-way for the Raw Women's Championship.
Every woman.
Guess what? Emma tag match is over. And as you said, Nia, Sasha, Emma at No Mercy on the double.
And who will be challenging for the Universal Championship. Please welcome Braun Strowman.
I'm facing Brock Lesnar for the Universal Championship at No Mercy. The last time I faced the Big Show, we broke a 4,000-pound ring. Then I'm going to pick his giant body up and slam it in the middle of that. I don't see Kurt Angle sticking Brock Lesnar inside of a steel cage before No Mercy. I'm sending a message to Kurt Angle that no matter where the monster among men goes.
All these guys out here at the commentary table earlier, but it's time for in-ring action.
Well, wait a minute. Anderson and Gallows are actually in this matchup, but Cesaro face at No Mercy, but I don't understand what...
Dean Ambrose and Seth Rollins.
And again, ladies and gentlemen, that they lost at SummerSlam.
After being dethroned at the biggest party of the summer.
This match tonight is presented by the Charbroiled Chicken Sandwiches. Get them only at Carl's Jr.
Just the fact that Sheamus and Cesaro are ringside. Totally.
I mean, former tag team champion, candidate for tag team. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Seth Rollins stomping a hole in
Rollins and Anderson. Tag team Anderson and Gallows tonight over the tag team champions. Oh, good for them. Actually, it's good. Ambrose and Rollins. Oh, great double team action. Dean Ambrose boot. Here's the lunatic fringe. Oh, there's that diving elbow. Competitive. This Raw tag team division is. Tag made. Rollins legal. Again, double team action. Down goes Gallows. He's going to pay.
I'm talking about the teamwork. Uh-oh, look out, incoming!
Rollins and Ambrose taking out Anderson.
Should be rolling, but the tag was made, and boom! Anderson drives the loop.
Yeah, they need the gold. And here's Gallows.
Oh, man!
Oh, what a slam!
This is what the Good Brothers do best.
Gallows and Anderson right now is looking great.
One another. These two walked out, interrupted that, and challenged him to
prepare for their opponents rather than a few weeks, like at SummerSlam.
Oh!
But I also think
or anything like that. I think in the end, that's what it's going to come down to.
Tag!
Self in.
And oh, and he caught Ambrose. And Dean with a...
I don't know where Ambrose gets it.
Here comes the Kingslayer. Seth Rollins off the top rope.
Rollins is rolling now.
Oh, the block.
Rollins is on the move right now.
Sling blade. Oh. And Dean, suicide dive.
Uh-oh.
Rollins sends Anderson flying.
Cesaro and Sheamus making their presence felt.
Rollins looking to win this matchup, and he does.
The attempted interference from Sheamus and Cesaro would not pay up. Oh, the Good Brothers from behind. Gallows and Anderson.
And now Sheamus and Cesaro.
Two elite tag teams.
Boom! Oh, the pro kick. And
I can tell you, Ambrose and Rollins won't be ready for fun and games at No Mercy.
Pediatric Cancer Awareness Month, and we at WWE are so proud.
A monster among men and the world's largest athlete.
That's what I'm talking about, Pepper Jack, dude. That's what I'm talking about. See each and... How you doing, bro? Pepper Jack, bro. A little spice, a little kick to... I'm taking you two out. What you clapping about, bro? You ain't coming out with us. To dampen your fun. Actually, this evening, I'm the bearer of good news. The best part is the winner of that match for my Cruiserweight Championship at No Mercy. Get some rest, boys. It's a big day tomorrow.
We're in a ring. It imploded. Well, right now, standing by is Charlie.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome The Big Show.
Versus the world's largest athlete inside a brutal steel cage. I've had more steel cage matches than Braun Strowman's had matches. I know when I ram his body into that unforgiving steel, and then I'm gonna give him a choke slam straight to hell. Braun Strowman's the kind of guy that wants respect on what he thinks he's owed. That, oh, he's gonna put me out to pasture? 3 years, there hasn't been one superstar. Well, I got a message for you. You call yourself the monster among men?
Steel cage surrounding the ring. Inside 800 pounds show. Braun Strowman set to lock up now.
The following contest is a steel cage match. The Big Show.
The Big Show's on. And tonight, Monday Night Raw.
Braun Strowman.
The monster among...
As per usual, no fear in the eyes of the steel.
Against Braun Strowman. In 3 weeks on the WWE.
Of a steel cage, that's a disadvantage any way you look at it for both.
Last time these two men were in the ring imploded. Tonight that ring has been double reinforced. Strowman's
mine here.
And
he's gonna smash Big Show.
And just like that, Braun Strowman.
Big Show's about to be turned
a third time
into the world's largest.
And Big Show catches it with a right hand.
One shot. Veteran skills to get through this matchup.
And remember, first time ever that
phenomenal shape recently.
Oh, man.
And it's paying off right now.
Pretty much evenly matched.
And again into the cage. Big Show out to pasture.
Oh, man.
Big Show making Strowman pay.
The fact that you got a 7-foot-tall man on the top rope is mind-blowing enough. Now you...
Oh, man. God. I don't care how big you are. When you land like that, it's going to take you out. There, he's not a cruiserweight.
I have not seen
He's not a 205 Live. 100-pounder. With an elbow. Right to the heart of...
This is surreal.
Big Show flying. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, trying to crawl out of the cage. Strowman literally limping back to grab the... Braun Strowman out trying to walk over Big Show and out of the ring. And Big...
Has been in a lot of wars throughout his career.
A shoulder tackle, and both men are down.
Are we going to see it?
And Braun Strowman over the DDT. Still on his feet. Strowman got caught. Big Show. Choke slam. Look at this. Braun Strowman high in the air. Off the...
No escapes.
And Strowman just... This matchup.
This is risky.
Braun Strowman from behind and a shot right to the kidneys. Slamming Strowman face first off the cage. Big Show off the top of the cage. And now Strowman driving Big Show against... Heading up to the top rope again. Braun Strowman meets him there. Superplex imploded the ring. Strowman looking for the superplex again. And remember, they reinforced this.
Body's just racked.
Big Show depth.
Good God.
Braun Strowman marching around the ring. Flying power. The cover. Braun Strowman wins the...
From the monster among men.
Do you see what I've done to the so-called giant? Brock Lesnar! At No Mercy, this here is your future.
Message to Brock Lesnar tonight.
That mess necessary.
That's just humiliating Big Show. He already beat the man. My God, what the hell's Strowman doing? Oh my God! Oh my God!
A face. A monster among men.
Destruction follows.